These repair methods generally work on plaster as well as drywall, but you must adjust materials and technique for the harder, more brittle surface. Plaster is denser and less forgiving than drywall, so choose a setting-type joint compound or a plaster-compatible patching compound rather than a lightweight drywall all-purpose mix. Start by removing any loose plaster around the hole or crack. Then score the edges lightly with a utility knife to give the patch something to bond to. For small holes up to the size of a quarter, use a high-quality spackling compound applied in thin layers, allowing full drying between coats and sanding lightly with a fine sandpaper. For larger holes, install a backing such as a wood shim or a wire mesh patch, or use a repair disc designed to bridge plaster, then apply a setting-type compound in 2 passes, embedding fiberglass tape across cracks to control future movement. When working on plaster over lath, be careful not to disturb the underlying keys more than necessary. If keys are loose, consolidate them with plaster adhesive before patching. Always feather the final skim coat beyond the repair by several inches and prime with a high adhesion primer before painting to equalize porosity and prevent flashing. Common issues are cracking at the repair edge when the patch is too thin or the compound is incompatible, and the fix is to use a setting-type compound and feather wider to reduce stress concentration. Another problem is poor bond, because loose plaster or dust was not removed. Fix this by thoroughly cleaning, consolidating any loose areas, and using a bonding primer or plaster adhesive before applying compound. Finally, matching texture can be difficult on older plaster walls. Resolve this by practicing the texture on scrap material, using a thin misting of water to manipulate compound, and applying texture with the same tool that created the original finish. Then prime after full cure. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find work related to wall repairs and other projects. We also host a discussion community on the site, so users and professionals can compare techniques, ask questions, and share photos and local recommendations.